Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that concerns all investors: avoid losing money, stocks. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your strategies, these tips will help you safeguard your investments and minimize losses. Understanding stocks. Before we jump in, let's quickly understand what stocks are. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy stocks, you're buying a piece of that company. Tip 1. Do your research. Our first tip is simple but crucial: do your research. Before investing in any company, understand their financial health, industry trends, and growth prospects. Informed decisions lead to better outcomes. Tip 2. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key. Spread your investments across different industries and sectors. If one area faces challenges, your losses will be cushioned by gains elsewhere. Tip 3. Set stop-loss orders. Setting stop-loss orders is like having a safety net. Determine a price at which you're comfortable selling a stock if its value drops. This prevents losses from spiraling out of control. Tip 4. Avoid emotional triggers. Emotions can lead to hasty decisions. Fear and greed are powerful emotions in investing. Stay rational and stick to your strategy, regardless of short-term market fluctuations. Tip 5. Long-term mindset. Think long-term. While stocks can be volatile in the short run, history shows they tend to grow over time. Patience can be your ally. Bonus tip. And now, for our bonus tip, consider investing in dividend-paying stocks. These stocks provide a steady stream of income, which can help offset potential losses. To sum it up, avoiding losses in the stock market requires research, diversification, setting stop-loss orders, emotional control, and a long-term perspective. With these tips, you'll be better equipped to protect your investments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more informative content. Have questions or want to share your own strategies? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and here's to your successful investing journey.